Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0715 code indicates a malfunction in the input shaft main shaft speed sensor circuit in the Honda Accord model years 2012 to 2017. This specific diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is issued when the powertrain control module, PCM, does not receive a signal from the input shaft speed sensor for a predetermined duration. The input shaft speed sensor is strategically attached to the transmission housing, where it plays a crucial role in monitoring the revolutions of the input shaft. The PCM utilizes this sensor's information to determine the vehicle's speed, which is vital for effective engine management and transmission functionality. If the PCM fails to receive a signal from the sensor for at least 20 seconds, it categorizes it as a malfunction, leading to the storage of the DTC in its memory. Understanding the context around this code can assist in effective troubleshooting and resolution. The input shaft, main shaft, speed sensor is critical for the operation of the vehicle's transmission. Located on the transmission housing, this sensor detects the revolutions of the main shaft. Its primary function is to relay information to the PCM regarding the rotational speed of the input shaft, allowing for accurate determination of vehicle speed. When the sensor operates correctly, it sends a reliable signal to the PCM, which is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance and shifting characteristics. If there's an issue with this sensor or its connections, the PCM will not receive the required signal, resulting in a DTC being stored. Thus, understanding the locations of these components can significantly aid in diagnosing the problem. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0715 to be triggered. First, a short to ground in the input shaft speed sensor's NM line can interfere with signal transmission, causing the PCM to perceive a malfunction. Secondly, an open circuit in the same line would also prevent the transmission of a signal. It's essential to inspect the wiring and connectors for disconnections, as this can be a straightforward fix. In some cases, the sensor itself may have failed, requiring replacement. Additionally, a malfunction or failure within the PCM's internal circuit can result in the sensor being incorrectly interpreted or ignored by the vehicle systems. It's crucial to methodically check each of these potential problems to arrive at an accurate diagnosis. The symptoms associated with the DTC P0715 can significantly affect the driving experience. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, alerting the driver that a fault has been identified. In addition to the warning light, the vehicle's transmission performance may decline, leading to issues such as harsh shifting or slipping, which can be quite concerning for drivers. Moreover, without accurate input from the speed sensor, drivers may experience erratic speed readings on the dashboard, which can create confusion and reduce confidence in driving measurements. These symptoms underline the importance of addressing the DTC promptly for both safety and operational functionality. The first troubleshooting step for addressing the DTC P0715 involves starting the engine and maintaining an engine speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without load, meaning the vehicle should be in neutral. This condition should be sustained until the radiator fan activates, indicating that the engine is running at operational temperature. By keeping the speed at 3,000 RPM, you can ensure the system is under a controlled load, which will allow for better assessment of the sensor's functionality. This step is pivotal as it prepares the system for the next phases of testing. It's essential to perform this step in a safe environment, ensuring that the vehicle remains stable while monitoring performance. In the second troubleshooting step, the Honda Diagnostics system HDS, is employed to conduct a thorough examination of the vehicle's systems. The technician checks for any additional stored diagnostic trouble codes beyond the P0715 to identify other underlying issues that may contribute to the malfunction. Using the HDS, it's crucial to confirm whether the input shaft speed sensor operates within normal parameters. The HDS provides real-time data about sensor inputs and system operation, allowing for accurate diagnostics. If no other codes are present and normal sensor operation is confirmed, further investigation into the physical components may be warranted. This diagnostic step is essential in isolating the issue and allowing for targeted repairs. After repairs or component replacements have been made, it is imperative to verify that the issue has been resolved. This verification process begins with clearing the DTCs from the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Subsequently, conduct a drive cycle test, which involves operating the vehicle under various conditions to ensure that the systems are functioning appropriately. During this test, continuous monitoring of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, is critical. If the lamp remains off after extensive operation, this is a strong indicator that repairs have effectively addressed the issue. This verification step is essential to ensure that the vehicle is safe to drive and operating correctly before returning it to the customer. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring the longevity and functionality of the input shaft, main shaft, speed sensor, and the associated transmission systems. Regularly scheduled inspections can help identify potential problems before they escalate into major issues. It's important to monitor the vehicle's transmission performance regularly, noting any unusual shifts or changes in operation, which could indicate sensor problems. Additionally, periodic checks on electrical connections and wiring can prevent shorts or opens in the circuit. Implementing these preventive measures can reduce the occurrence of DTC P0715 and improve overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, comprehensively understanding DTC P0715 and its implications is crucial for effective vehicle diagnostics and repairs. This particular trouble code points to potential issues within the input shaft speed sensor circuit, which can lead to critical transmission performance problems if not addressed. Correct diagnostics and timely repairs are essential to prevent further complications and potential safety concerns on the road. Regular maintenance plays a pivotal role in enhancing vehicle reliability and reducing the likelihood of recurrence of such codes. Being proactive in vehicle care not only ensures optimal performance, but also contributes to the longevity of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.